Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can capture screen on Windows 11. So if you want to take a screenshot of your screen, laptop screen or a computer, and you are using the Windows 11, you can use this app. You can first just click on this search or go to start and then just find this app, Snipping Tool. Okay, this is the app. You can open the app by clicking on it, and in here you can click on this to take a screenshot, and you can just click on new. Then just select the area that you want to screenshot. Here you can also adjust the size. You can use rectangle, window, full screen, or freeform. So for example, in here I'm going to go with full screen. Okay, it will automatically capture just like this. But if you want to make another one, you can click on the new again. Here, for example, let's try the freeform. You can just adjust it like this and choose the area that you want to screenshot, and it will be created just like this. Okay, so you can just choose the size that you want. And let's try the last one. Let's try the rectangle one in here. This one, you can select the area that you want to capture. Okay, so this is the result, and if you want to save this image, you can just click on Ctrl plus S on your keyboard, and then here you can just tap on save to save the screenshot. And so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.